Good morning, students. Today's topic is solution. What do you mean by solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Homogeneous means a mixture in which the constituents are uniformly distributed throughout without any clear boundary of separation, like sugar solution. This solution is also called as true solution. Or you can say that a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substance is called as solution. Now next is component of solution. Solution has two components. First is solute, second is solvent. First is solute, it is also called as dissolved phase. It is present in lesser quantity, and solute is the component of solution that is dissolved in a solvent. It is called as solute. Example: sugar, salt, etc. Next is solvent. Solvent is also called as dissolving phase. Solvent is present in large amount, and it is the component of solution that dissolve the other component in it. It is called as solvent. Example: water, alcohol, etc. Solute plus solvent give rise to solution. Here take one example. When we dissolve sugar in water to prepare a sugar solution, so in this solution, solute act as a sugar act as a solute, and water act as a solvent. Means sugar present in less amount and water present in large amount, so it is a solvent and it will form a sugar solution. That is the true solution, and it is also homogeneous. Means no visible boundary is present and all the mixture in the solution is uniformly distributed. So these are homogeneous mixture. Now types of solution. Solution are mainly three types. First, solid solution, in which the solid act as a solvent. Second, liquid solution, in which the liquid act as a solvent. Third, gaseous solution, in which gas acts as a solvent. These are mainly three types of solution. Now next is the example of solution. First example: sugar in water. In this type of solution, sugar is solute while water is solvent. It is the example of solid in liquid solution. Second, iodine in alcohol. It is also called as tincture of iodine. This is very important. Iodine is the solute. It is a violet color solid, and alcohol, it is ethyl alcohol. It behaves as a solvent, and the solution is called as tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine is an antiseptic agent in the case of wounds. Antiseptic means which kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms like germs, bacteria, etc. So it acts as an antiseptic agent. It is the example of solid in liquid solution. Next, third, aerated drinks like soda water. In this, carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under the pressure, and it is the example of gas in liquid solution. Next, fourth is air. Air is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. Out of these, oxygen 21% and nitrogen 78%, these are the main constituents, and other gases are also present in small ratio. So it is a solution of gas in gas solution. It means it is a gaseous solution. Next, copper sulfate in water. Copper sulfate is blue in color, so it acts as a solute which are present in less quantity, and here water is act as a solvent, so its solution is solid in liquid solution. The overall solution is blue in color. Next, dilute hydrochloric acid. In this case, both solute and solvent are liquid, so it is a liquid solution. Next, seventh is brass. Brass is an alloy. What do you mean by alloy? Alloy are the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals like this copper and zinc, or non-metals like brass, bronze, all these are alloy. Brass is made up of 70% copper plus 30% zinc. It is a homogeneous in nature and it is the example of solid in solid solution. Now next is bronze. Bronze is also an alloy which is made up of 90% copper and 10% tin. Tin symbol is SN. It is used for making the coins and utensils. So it is also a solid in solid solution. So it is a solid solution. Take another example of solder that is made up of 50% lead and 50% tin. It is used in soldering the broken pieces. It is also a solid solution. So it is also a alloy. All these are the examples of solution. One important note in this topic, solution: only homogeneous mixtures may be called as solution. The heterogeneous mixture are not solution. So in all examples having one solute and one solvent, and after mixing solute in solvent, then it will form a solution. The solute may be solid, liquid or gas, and solvent is also solid, liquid and gas. Then after that it will form a different type of solution, that is solid solution, liquid solution and gaseous solution. Thank you students.